In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Zebronics audio driver. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then you want to go and hover over support up top over here, and you want to click on driver downloads. Now, in here, the most important thing is that you actually know the name or the model of your product, okay? So, for example, if I want to download audio drivers for my motherboard, which is H81 over here, so that's the model name, as you can see, the Zeb H81 here, I can go ahead and search for that, and I'll be able to see that under products. The one here I'm looking for is the audio driver, and then you can download it over here, okay? So just type in your product name up here and you'll be able to find a bunch of different drivers, and one of them should be the audio driver like this. You can just click on the download button and it's going to start the download onto your computer. Now this will take a few minutes, so I actually pre-downloaded this so I can show you how to now set this up. So if I open my downloads folder here, as you can see, I now have a zipped folder. There's a zipper over it, so you have to right click on it and click on extract all, and then click on extract again. Now when you do that, it's going to extract all the items. There we go. And then you want to open up the folder that doesn't have the zipper on, open up the audio folder, and then in here, as you can see, there's gonna be like two folders. You want to open up the first one over here, open it up, and as you can see here, you can basically set it up using this setup.exe file. Now you can also go into the second one here, and then in here you'll be able to click in again, and then again you can go to the setup file here, and this will basically set up and install the drivers onto your computer. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.